Welcome to the iHouse Elite training video on setting up your iHouse Elite Office account. In this video, we'll cover how to create agent accounts under an office, how to create groups as the office account, how to create an agent roster as the office account, and how to create an agent website under your office account. The primary difference between our single agent accounts and office accounts is the office account's ability to make agent profiles under the office, as well as the ability to create personal agent websites under the office, starting with 5 agent subsites, but with the ability to add more later if desired. This enables your agents to create and manage their own agent profile or agent website under the office's umbrella to keep things organized while maintaining control and visibility. And with that, let's get started. Begin by logging into your admin menu and log in with your admin credentials. From the admin menu, click Account. Once you're under Account, click Agent, seen here. From Agent, you'll be able to add agents. Press Add an Agent. Enter the agent's name and info where needed, leaving Create a User for this agent enabled, if desired, and ensuring to use an email they have access to, as they'll use this to access their account. Doing so will enable your agent to log into their own account. That gives them the ability to edit their own profile, which listings they'll display or manage, and view leads and contacts that can be assigned by the main office via Turbo Leads. Additionally, here you can upload a photo, write in a signature, or add an agent to a group. Below this is their display profile. This is the information that will display for the agent in an agent roster. You can write in contact information, a custom URL, biography, as well as choose what type of listings will show on the agent profile if desired. When you're done, click Save. Next, we'll take a look at groups. Click Groups. The main office account can set up groups for organizational purposes. Type in a name for your group and add in agents from your directory. After that, you should be good to go. Groups can be used to assign or filter agent profiles, as we'll see in just a moment with the agent roster. If you're happy with your group settings, go ahead and press Save. The next thing we'll set up is your main office's agent roster page. Go to the Edit mode for your website and click Pages. You can create an agent roster page from here. Alternatively, if you already have an agent roster page, scroll down and then press Edit. The agent roster page will pull the display information from the agent profile mentioned earlier. If making multiple agent roster pages, you can also choose to filter an agent roster page by group. This will limit the specific agent roster page to display agents of that group. In either case, you can manually arrange the agents or choose to arrange them by alphabetical order. Ensure you have your desired name, as this is what will display in your navigation menu, and then press Save. Next, we'll create an agent website. Click Website, and then Add an Agent Website. Select an agent from your menu. Your new agent website will be created under a subdomain of your main office account by default, but this can be adjusted later as seen in just a bit. Now we'll return to our agent profile and link the agent profile to the new agent website. Find the option to link the agent and then press Save. And finally, we'll take a look at some of the managing options from your main office account. From your main office admin menu, you can manage your agent's website by switching to their view, seen here. From here, if you'd like to adjust anything, such as the subdomain for an agent, you can click on Domains and then Edit Subdomain. Once it's adjusted to how you like it and you're all set, go ahead and press Save. And that concludes our training video on setting up your iHouse Elite Office account. If you'd like to learn more, please feel free to check out the other videos on our channel. Subscribing to our channel will get you updates and tutorials about our newest features and improvements as they're released. Most importantly, if you still need help or just have questions, please let us know. We'd be more than happy to help you. Give our Elite Service team a call at 866-645-7700. We're open Monday to Friday, 8 a.m. to 7 p.m. Central Time.